enti abusuafo efiri ando eba ni nyina okopie mu ewo EOCO officer na nipadom a omugu ho ni nyina efa eye chama Wontumi a ye che no yes nipadom MPP members ana omugu ho a omo hwe se omo beyi chama Wontumi na omo de no akofie ema eye Kennedy akompreko ono so kopie mu ho endra ono so de nsem bi etodwa na abusuan enda mo no ka say de eye micro minority for yes NPP MPs for no omo nyina amache akọ eye EOCO officer abusuan o hwe de na etwagu ho na Wontumi hu se sesi ane de omani able we are marching to our classes what yes anu nana ekoso wo EOCO office because of eye chama Wontumi echia na omache na abusuan ha GH Kwabi media so mese se oba so a obe subscribe na wa share ama afofro so enya bi atie enti abusuan se ye ba eye chama Wontumi echia na ya che no a sesi no akwakodi EOCO for office no a endra NPP members for ekogu ho se on beye na ye eye chama Wontumi no enam so ema Kennedy akompreko ono so kopie mu eden sembi eto dwa
emma me chance emma yenkuhwe no ewo baby odam no na menya ntese omo de na baha ene disadi se ba be ba no omo ntimi ankyere se for her now so rom say time no this thing always number and you should come between 3 and 4 eno na ebedru ya kaso ebedru ya so yes aka kyere se be ntino benim
oh, okay. Honorable, ya share a chira one more actually Wontumi lawyer and Agyapong. A chira more Wontumi and you know kwa any MPP at the top will be a coming. I say a buying buyer. What are we doing as you almost said in our command?
Yo, me mom ni America. He said minim ni intia idea NDC etata obi. Me mom adi America my disappointed here. MPP for Niani Ankasa. And then I read 2 videos. Alex Tete and the former chairman. You know, say Asɛm basa party and year one. Left na your personal problems are your work. A day better bunting a divided party. I am why. Because NDC be winning a unity. Okay, your parliament. And maybe honorable to force in court. NDC for no bobo red. Now my boycott to parliament. Omo court to we and san omaba. I don't know what has become of us. So we MPP ni power dia obi pentino obi enho basema ni jubility. Emwe sema corner anas see a man 18 million next so empire no kura na MPP for mom money thumbs up. Meanwhile, I defended MPP. What do you say? And they won't me as a share party for Alex Tete. Me go for no ankasa. Ko di mechi obi afi say nia o ye no meka ho. Enye enioma bia ebe boa party. Mumma ekro yemra party solidarity. Enyina so aye boni so. Can you believe say obi bisam say Argentina me meye anti-corruption crusader. Na honorable Amiya Kunfi, me deme die a command bail. Bail, say we're guilty. What do you say? Until so we're guilty, no, we're entitled to bail or be coffee in your castle. And the messenger, they were Yania MPP for no internal politics, no, ye take party, no, and when you are better opposition. See, and changes as one way. Na yama kuriyama yensia senia na NDC for year
enti abusia wensu de eye Kennedy akopreko abra okopie mu ewo eye EOCO office no ono nso ensamo a odi tudwa ewo ho no na obegye di se amanfo kra eda ho e ma de ekyeye na de ekyeye no de 88 MPs a omo eye parliament house eye MPP for no omo yina e ma kyeye ekọ eye EOCO office na abusia obeti eye on we are marching on.
Together with the minority chief Frank. We also have in the mix Henry Nanabuachi, the national organizer of the New Patriotic Party. And so they say that until the Economic and Organized Crime Office actually varies the bail conditions of the
country, the nation demands your devotion. Let us all unite and make a greatness known. We are all equal. Precious and I forevermore. And help us to raise this and help us to raise this precious and I forevermore. And help us to raise this precious with all our will and I forevermore. And help us to resist oppression with all our will and might forevermore. We shall win, we shall win, we shall Ghana, we shall Ghana, we shall win, we shall win, we shall Ghana, the elephant is, and when they say move, we shall win, we shall Ghana, the elephant is, and when they say move. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the way they say move.
Senior NDC are buying alien. The people who cry and just and then you have to
Come on for the middle. We want to see them. Okay. Stand on road.
We are all all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. We are all involved. We are all involved. We are all involved in building a motherland. Ghana man, Yawara was your man, Kasa won't faho. Baba, Yawara was your man, Kasa won't faho. Baba, you not so. Yeah, Fakro, yeah. Open up. Can you go back a bit, please? Open up.
It's fine. I mean, leader, I know.
Why you finish? He's not talking for that.
Do you think it is right? Do you think it is right for a man to be treated the way he's been treated? A Ghanaian citizen, you claim you are investigating him. He goes to the CID headquarters. He walks in freely himself. Police grant him self-recognizant bail. Whilst he's walking out of the police headquarters, in a Rambo style, he's arrested. You interrogate him, he makes himself available. Your next thing is that go and bring title property worth 50 million. What kind of country are we in? Actually, have they looked at the constitution? They should vary the bail terms. The man is unwell. He's in their custody. They know. So they should vary. Wontumi will not run anywhere. And I'm telling our friends in the NDC, 4 years will soon come. And if they think what they are doing is right, they should watch it. They should watch it. Treat others the way you expect them to do unto you.
Are you?
Treat others the way you expect them to treat you.
Are you?
So if you keep Wontumi, is he using bail to punish you? We are here, we are protesting. We are here protesting. We expect him to do the right thing. What has Wontumi done? Huh? Why then? If you come out in a buyer, or buy and when Janio, or police headquarters. Bonnie be almost a wire. Moody Moko Chino Bay, you cover Musankofa, a Japadia, worth 50 million cities, offer title documents and brands.
What to be that?
Obiba, no, so the document was say, yeah, constitution mansa. Nippon, as I said, Okonuniho, unnecessary frustration. What kind of country are we in? No. They should use their time to govern, not to oppress opponents. That's all I want to say.
Ghana was not so to help us to raise this oppression. Help us to raise this oppression. We follow and forevermore. God bless our home and make our nation great and strong. Go to the end forever. Let us all be the men of Christ. Fill our hearts with humility. We can cherish fairness, honesty, and help us to raise this oppressors. oppressors will fall away, and my forever. Help us to resist oppressors will fall away, and my forever. Help us to resist oppressors will fall away, and my forever. And fight forevermore. Help us to and fight forevermore. Help us to
Seek medical treatment. And that's all. We don't want and we need it. And that is what we want to do. Well, I'm making an agreement. From Parliament, we came here so far. Nobody has been yes, thank you. Immediate cooperative. Alright, Ghana, you for your car. Every everything. Go down here, trouble. We are going. And then you go have space, you go back. No, I don't eat anybody. Go back. I beg you. We are all here together. So go back. Maybe all day the back.
Resist oppressors, we fall away, and fight forevermore. And help us to resist oppressors, we fall away, and
Go to them and go ahead on the questions. Go to them and go ahead on questions. We don't want anything. Go ahead and national security. Go ahead. Go ahead. We don't want anything here. Go back.
nation great and strong.
Go back.
Oh, to defend forever the cause of freedom.
I'm live on air. I'm live on. That's what I'm planning.
Almost a Yoko Nyan Luto.
Building our motherland, arise. What you are saying? Then you know Kabomua, Abusia, entering NPP members for no, NPs for no, almost so a core EOCO office for no, or share the leader after your markings, on also Tifoma, or John Domani Mahama said, but be adrenadia and libre abba. What you say because ye the yo, Nasa Anya ya. Yenja emfan yewo enti awose omuchire se de John Dramani Mahama one na aban omoye no de eye den entwani enu ntina ema eye leader afenyo markings ono nso ekopie mu ewo ha one ne nkrofo ete form a omoto arise anyway we ni nyina no yes abusia eha na mede obesi message so be subscribe na wa share wa like said ya afoforo nso ebenya bi ati kete wose eye dodo nwunwura macrow bye bye.